Here's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.